Hey guys, welcome back to Rollinsmokeaz. Today, I finally found what I was looking for. I am gonna try doing this American Wagyu steaks that I just purchased, and they look delicious. And the marbling is pretty good on them. So we're gonna keep this nice and simple. We're just gonna do some cracked black pepper and some Himalayan salt. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. All right, take some salt first. There. Go ahead and flip it over. Same thing with black pepper. This is a really soft beef right here. All right, guys, the grill is ready. Let's put this on. Since these are smaller pieces too, they won't need long. Go ahead and close this up, and we'll wait for about a minute and we'll flip them. All right, let's go ahead and flip them one more time. Oh yeah, looks amazing. Okay, it's time. Let's take these off here. Okay. We'll leave that open. Let's go ahead and get that down temperature. GoPro. All right, now that we got it up to down to temp, actually, let's go ahead and let these go low and slow until we hit an internal temperature about 135 is how we're gonna like that. All right, give these a couple probes here and see what they're at. Okay, so one more step, we're going to pull these back off, and we're going to crank the smoker to 450 degrees again and let them sear them and get them all done. Alright, we went ahead and threw these back on for a little bit. We're just going to sear them back again. We're at 481 degrees. Alright guys, we have pulled them off. They look amazing. We also have in the center right here, which is kimchi, pickled cabbage and different types of spices and herbs. Check that out. Beef Wagyu. Internal temperature is at 135. All right, let's check this out. That is amazing right there. Let's try this. That's some good quality beef right there. Very soft and it just melts. Really juicy. And it's good when you pair it with this kimchi right here. Oh yeah, definitely. All right, guys, been a fun cook on this one. If you guys like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and check out the recipe. Thank you.